Some snacks. Might need some oil. Fix it flat. That's a. Just cannot run any fix flat. I'll share these with you though. Some Pringles. What are you doing?
What are you up to?
Nothing. I'm thinking about heading down south. There's a big cold front coming through.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm thinking about getting out of its way, getting down some warmer weather, maybe Mexico.
Yeah. I didn't bring enough cold weather clothes, so I'm gonna head down with you.
All right, let's go.
All right, I'm gonna run in real quick. Good seeing you.
How are you, man?
Good seeing you.
Yeah.
I got something for you real quick.
Oh my gosh, he's got something for me. Do I need to get out? Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh, okay. I probably should have got
I
out.
already have one. I call it.
Let's do this over here. We're gonna relocate. Uh-oh, I don't have this. I know what this is. That's freaking awesome, man. That's from his GoPro picture. That's freaking awesome, bro. Dude,
Cool, isn't it?
thank you, man. That's awesome. That's gonna go up in the office or in the man cave.
You had some
Yeah,
what are they called?
yeah. I don't have one of this one though.
Canvases, yeah.
Yeah, that's so cool, man.
Oh,
Where'd you
good
get?
picture.
Where'd you? Oh, it's got a backing and everything. Dude, that's so cool. Thank you so much. God, I have to take back all the things I said about you. No, man, golly, thank you, dude.
Yep.
That's freaking awesome. I didn't bring you anything. Deer hunt, a deer hunt. Here we go. Got my Pringles and my radio. Well, I don't know what happened to my radio. There it is. To the north. That's my tag. All my info.
You hunt last year?
No, sir. First year in 12 years I hadn't.
You've got one that's good till April 15th.
I do right now?
Yeah.
Did I turkey hunt?
Maybe you did.
I might have came up here and turkey hunted.
You just want a duplicate?
Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, cool. I couldn't remember if I turkey hunted up here or not.
I may have to back it up here, but
Good find, thank you. Good.
maybe camping in.
That's it. Well, we appreciate it. Thank you. Good luck, sir. It's like old times. Oh, look. Just a good old boy. What are you doing, Mr. James?
Making cookies.
How are you, man?
Good. Good to see you. I love it when people show up with trucks that look like mine.
Yeah, like that,
Dirty.
exactly. Oh yeah, open
Been
it
on
up.
dirt road. Good to meet you.
Yeah,
Good to have
that's
you.
a big old pile of cookies.
Well, you might be here for 2 days.
Mate, you do with the weather, you're right. Yeah, it really is.
It just stands out.
It just,
Everybody comes in and immediately is progress.
there, yeah. It's crooked though.
Yeah, we need to get that.
Yeah, I got a level.
Experience some earthquakes.
I got a level in the truck. We'll get that straightened up. Yeah.
Like when you killed your bull and I'm watching that video and you run over to get another arrow in, and to make that shot the way you did it, if that's 10,000 feet, there's some,
Puffing and puffing.
Oh,
you
yeah.
know, you're just,
Yeah.
you just can't do it.
Not me. I'm a professional.
Good to see you, man.
How are you doing, Mr. Clark?
Good. You're good. Clark
Yeah.
Trevor Johnson. Nice to meet you.
Yeah. We're sharing war stories here.
It's just so, obviously that's not a hunting circle situation, but everybody knows somebody that knows, you know. It's a new piece for us this year. We've been in and around it, within a mile of it for a long time. But
Which way?
it's south of, we've got a place called the Thompson, which We need to put a double in there for north wind evening.
For sure, that's the north wind. You got anything in that in the hole on the south side?
Nothing on the south side. You know, it'd be more of a.
Is it wet? I seen the aerial photo and it's from June of this year, and it's just like I've never seen that much water in there.
Dude, you can't imagine.
I know I can't. Only way I can is because of the pictures from space. You can see the water.
And still.
That's crazy.
That's all. I mean, it started last fall.
Yeah.
And just rain, good moisture throughout the winter, and then spring came. You know, so really what you're seeing there at this point is probably that's our water table.
Mm-hmm.
You know, there is some standing water, but generally in this sandy country, it just, you know, it goes away. But
Right.
that's our water table. There's still some green beans, which you can find them. That's where they're at, you know. But a lot of rye popping up, a lot of weeds popping up, and the game's switching, you know, to that.
Mm-hmm.
What's the morning wind supposed to be?
South.
It's switching. It's switching at 9. It's the front's coming in more than 9. These are that's on Cow Creek. Those.
That's all Cow Creek, yeah.
That's what you sent me yesterday. Those are all Cow Creek.
That's a different spot.
That's that 5x6.
Yeah. He's good, you know, and his main beams are going to be longer than you think.
Yeah, that's a good deer. Real good.
And there's another one.
That's all I got there.
There's another one in there. He's a main frame.
10 that goes straight up with a lot of trash on his bases. There's an 8 about like what you killed the last time you were there,
Mm-hmm.
and seems like there's one more.
That's at that spot, right?
Yeah.
That's like where I killed.
Mm.